I wanted to record a brief addendum to the last video because you might have tried to use the magic wand tool, but you may not have been able to find it. And I did put it in the notes or the description for this previous video, but I want to share it with all of you just in case you may have missed it. If you go to the toolbar, you'll see that there is the magic wand tool. You have to click on the actual icon. You'll see a fly out menu, and magic wand is the third item that's in that list. And every tool that has a small little arrow next to it means that there are other tools that are hidden inside. And the way you access the tools, for example, let's say, for example, you're not seeing the magic wand tool, you're seeing something like this. If I hold down the Shift followed by the W key, it allows me to cycle between the different subtools that are on the toolbar for the magic wand. Same thing if I go to the lasso tool. If I hit L, that's the keyboard shortcut for the lasso tool. But if I hold down Shift L, it shows me the other tool that's hidden inside, which is the polygon lasso tool. And if I keep holding down the Shift L, it just toggles through all the tools that are in that toolbar. So if you hover your key, your cursor over any one of these keys, you will see a keyboard shortcut. Just know that if there's a small little arrow, that means there are some subtools hidden. So you just have to add the Shift key to be able to access those subtools. So it's kind of a bonus tip. Many people don't realize that these other tools do exist. They're hidden, but you can access them by holding down the Shift key followed by the keyboard shortcut. So Shift W will cycle through all the tools till you get to the magic wand tool. So I hope that helps. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.